多位嚟到今晚嘅晚宴。First of all, I'd like to welcome everybody here to our Yorkshire Chinese Society 11th Competition Open. And 首先，我哋歡迎各地嘅球會嚟參加我哋呢個賽事。咁西人嘅禮尚，我哋中國人嘅禮尚都係要歡迎一下我哋嘅女士們先。就係第一，我哋歡迎我哋中部即係 Midland 嘅女士們嘅球會嚟講我哋嚟緊上年嚟打呢個賽事。跟住，亦都多謝我哋最遠嚟嘅地方嘅朋友，就係由登啲嚟嘅，亦都有代表嚟到。但係咧，每一年登啲咧嘅，雖然係講遠，成揸成5、6個鐘頭，都捧上面嚟去參賽呢個賽事。今年咧係少咗少少人係做，因為有原因嘅。因為登啲嘅會長咧，今日有係雜貨鋪嘅開張。所以好多又請客又今日又唔嚟得，但係能夠可以派到幾個代表嚟咧，我哋亦都好 very warm 嘅好熱烈嘅歡迎，想叫真啲嚇。加上尤其是咧，亦都係最遠嚟嘅咧，就係由 Island 嚟嘅我哋幾位朋友，又搭飛機又游水又行路。飛機係咪隔離我唔知啦嚇，就多謝，亦都多謝一路講緊落去啊！排名不分先後，唔係話講你先又話大家 brother 多啲嘅，就係歡迎由最近係講到最遠啦，我哋呢市嘅 brother 會啊，亦都講 brother 啦，球會歡迎。第二，歡迎我哋曼城嘅。大家兄弟朋友，係多謝Patrick帶隊嚟嘅，跟住最近啊，就話 Northwest 啊，亦都係佢我哋係冇錯 ，thank you， 大家都應該認識啊 Marcus 啊嗬，但係佢唔係會長，thank you Marcus，多謝用 Jimmy， 咁要你帶隊嚟參加 ，thank you very much。仲有，睇唔到啦。改咗會長。仲有，跟住 Newcastle 呢4個真係好嘅。高爾夫陽光。等先。Newcastle thank you very much。仲有格拉士堡。而家你講呢個應該大聲多啲啊！係全英國嘅，即係我哋客家人係知謠嘅，一定話。Thank you very much。仲有 ，is anybody else forgotten to mention？ Midland邊個啊？你多謝個老人啫。唔係，哦。唔好意思，但係其實咧，我哋搞呢個賽事咧，多多少少人咧數嘅問題咧嚟參加乜咧，因為我哋根據最 last 咧就係咁樣 mention， 就係我哋好多謝我哋嘅 Midland 嚟參加我哋呢度啊，因為有咗佢，我哋呢個場所真係加咗好隆重啊！打底。今年咧，其實講10幾年之中係最少數目啊，20幾人啫。你得唔得啊？我哋成個 group 都冇開。Thank you Midland 啊 ，thank you very much， thank you。阿日哥帶隊嚟嘅。Okay, anymore? And yes, first of all, I'd like to also thank a lot of people because without the sponsors, it would be very difficult for us to hold this course. First of all, 大家俾個掌聲先，俾我哋講下 sponsor 先嚇。Right, I shall start from the top. First of all, from Fish Air Services, Mr. David Priestley. Thank you for your participation in the sponsor. from Alex Steele and David Proctor. Thank you very much, David. And of course, Rafiq, the accountant, Rafiq Mughal. Thank you very much, Rafiq. And also, what you're taking on the table, the wines are supplied by Castilian Wine, Mr. Richard Hay. Thank you very much. And also from Mortgage Core, Mr. Eric Armstrong. Thank you very much. And again from Heineken UK Limited, Mr. Daniel Wood. And last but not least, we have a very big thank you very much to Ollie Scott of Sunlit Beer with his team. Thank you. Right， 而家咧大家知道嘅湯嚟緊啦，我唔阻止大家嘅時間，大家慢慢 enjoy 下先嚇，然後作照你先。